Hey y'all, Bobby the Famine here. Good morning. Here to have it today. It's this morning rather. It's is a 1980s Tatung 6-inch oscillating table fan, model Lp-116. I got this at Goodwill just before New Year's. For $10 in Groton, Connecticut. Goodwill in Groton, Connecticut. Um, it's a really powerful fan, and it's a very good fan. It has the uh blue blades, which I've always wanted a 16-inch table fan with blue blades. Mostly the Galaxy ones, but I found this one. And this one has probably one of the best sounding blades I've ever seen on a fan. Because this actually sounds really cool, especially on high. And without further ado, here's low. She's very quiet too on low, but she moves a lot of air. It's away from the wind noise. Very slow at starting up, but once she gets going, she really kicks out the air. This is low speed. It's got the oscillation does not work on this. Well, it does, but it clicks, so it's like the same thing on that one. It's got the buttons. It says Tatung. Now, Tatung was, for people who don't know, Tatung was a Taiwanese company that uh, in the 80s, 70s, and 80s. There was also a brown version of this too that I'd like to find. And this is in actually really good condition for one of these. Um, like, no, there's no yellowing in the plastic or nothing. And usually the yellowing happens usually on the neck and on the top of the oscillation knob, and it's neither. And on the base too. Like, the base is in nice shape. No yellowing on the base whatsoever. One thing about this one is I like this one is it's got the clips like the oscillating fans from now. It's got the clips already integrated into the back guard, which is really nice. Which you don't see on many older 80s fans. Like, these have these plastic things, these plastic clips, and they end up breaking off very easily. Here's medium now. Has a really nice motor whine to it. I plan on using this summer. And full power, high speed. This is where she kicks out the air. As you can see, it's blowing my doily up there. That little air freshener, it's been there for over 10 years. This fan's really strong. I'm literally not even standing in the wind stream of the air of the fan, and I can literally feel the air just rushing around me. Like, that's how powerful this fan is. I'll show you what it does in oscillation. I also don't think the knob goes all the way down like it should. Like, it comes back just fine that way, but look what it does on this side. See? And I don't think that I think the oscillation knob is a little sticky. That's my opinion. And off. Spin down. Yeah, the velocity on this one is no joke. It's a nice running fan though. Very well balanced, which I'm kind of surprised. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and God bless you all. Bye bye.